Hi friends. We are Windows 10 freeapps.com. This video will help you if you receive an error message, entry point not found. The procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library on your Windows computer. This error can occur if a program fails to locate the DLL library which it needs to run. It could also occur if the library is not in a directory specified in the path or if the DLL has gone missing or corrupted. First, you need to open the event viewer and check for error messages or codes caused for this file. Now open Command Prompt as administrator and run system file checker sfc scannow to replace potentially corrupted system DLL files. Alternatively, you can also download and run Restoreo to scan and replace potentially corrupted system DLL files. The Restoreo program specializes in Windows repair. It scans and diagnoses, then repairs your damaged PC with technology that not only fixes your Windows operating system, but also reverses the damage already done with a full database of replacement files. Hope something helps. If you have any question then you can ask in the comment section below.